In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change calendars in Google Calendar. First, open your preferred web browser. You can choose any browser you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, type Google Calendar into the search bar and hit Enter. Alternatively, if you are using Google Chrome, you can simplify this process. Just click on the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid in the top right corner of your screen. From there, select the calendar option from the drop-down menu. This is important as it directs you to the Google Calendar interface where all the calendar management takes place. You'll see your calendar load, and it will be the starting point for making changes. Next, look at the left sidebar of the Google Calendar interface. This sidebar is crucial as it displays all of your calendars under two main sections: My Calendars and Other Calendars. In the My Calendars section, you will see calendars that you have created or that belong to you. The Other Calendars section shows calendars that are shared with you or public calendars that you have added. This visual organization makes it easier to manage and view your events across different calendars. Make sure you take a moment to familiarize yourself with these sections as it will help you navigate effectively. Now, check or uncheck the box next to the calendar's name that you are not currently viewing. This is a simple yet powerful action. By checking the box, you will display that calendar's events on your main view. Conversely, unchecking the box hides those events. This is beneficial if you want to focus on specific calendars without distractions. The visual representation of your events can significantly impact your planning and scheduling. Once you adjust these settings, you will notice how your calendar view changes, reflecting the selections you made. At this point, ensure that the calendar you want to use remains checked. This step is vital because it guarantees that the events from that calendar will be visible in your main view. Having the correct calendar checked keeps your schedule organized and prevents any confusion. If you forget to check the appropriate box, you may miss important events or meetings. Take a moment to double-check your selections. This small action can save you from unexpected surprises later. Next up, click the View drop-down button located in the top right corner of the calendar interface. The button usually displays options like day, week, month, or year. Selecting your preferred view allows you to visualize your events according to your scheduling needs. For instance, if you have a busy week ahead, the week view might be most beneficial. Conversely, if you want to plan for the month ahead, the month view will help you see all events at a glance. This flexibility in viewing is essential for effective time management and planning. Once you have selected your preferred view, observe how the calendar layout changes accordingly. This immediate visual feedback reassures you that your choices are being applied. It allows you to adapt the calendar to your specific needs seamlessly. Remember, the ability to customize your view enhances your overall experience with Google Calendar, making it a valuable tool for managing your time efficiently. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to change calendars in Google Calendar effectively. These adjustments help streamline your scheduling process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy scheduling!